Ever dreamed of being a billionaire? Meet our quirky hero, Cash. Cash dreams in dollars. A brilliant idea strikes. Step 1. Embrace your quirks. Step 2. Think outside the box. Step 3. Dare to take risks. Step 4. Network with fellow dreamers. Beware of quick money traps. Learn from every fall. Keep your eyes on the future. Step 5. Invest in yourself. Enjoy every twist and turn. Remember, greed can trip you up. Stay humble, even in success. Dream, plan, execute. Sometimes plans twist unexpectedly. Happiness is the real treasure. Enrich your life, not just your wallet. Like and subscribe for more laughs. Goodbye. Keep dreaming big.